Hi, this is Nayan Joyce, and today I will be showing you how to use these 5 basic features in MS Word: table, margins, word art, header, footer, and page, size, and orientation. The first one is the table. So under the Insert tab, locate for table. There are different ways in inserting a table. Like hovering your mouse here, you can choose by placing your cursor the number of columns and rows you desire to choose. Or click Insert tab and manually input the number of columns and rows you desire to choose. For you to have each cell equal in size, just drag this side down. You can also format any table design or color that you want under the table tool. If the number of columns are not enough, just right-click on any cell and click from the options where you want to add a new column. If the number of rows are not also enough, you can just do the same. But if your columns exceed, you can delete them. Just right-click on any cell and delete the column you wish to remove. And if you wish to split the cell into 2 or more, just right-click on the cell that you want to split and manually input the number of rows and columns that you wanted the cell to split into. You can also format the margins of the paper using the suggested sizes, or just manually input your desired size if it's not available in the options. You can also do the same with the paper size. Just choose from the options or manually input them. The size of a long bond paper is 8.5 inches by 13 inches, and the size of a short bond paper is 8.5 inches by 11 inches.
In the paper orientation feature, there are 2 options, the portrait and the landscape. Next feature is the word art. I'll be using my name as example. You can choose the font style you want. Change the text outline, text fill, and text effects using the available options. or do transform effect like warp. The last feature is the header, footer, and page. You can also format it by changing the font style, size, and color. So as with the footer, and finally the page. You can choose where you want to place it. So that is how to format your document using the table, margins, word art, size and orientation, and header, footer, and page.